The world is filled with wonders, but some of the most remarkable are invisible, carried on the air as scent. Every moment, the air around us is alive with invisible signals, drifting quietly, shaping our experiences in ways we rarely notice. We often overlook our sense of smell, yet it's a powerful gateway to memory, emotion, and information. A single whiff can transport us to a distant childhood, evoke a forgotten feeling, or alert us to something amiss. Our nose is a silent guide, always working in the background. From the moment we're born, scent guides us. Newborns find their mothers by smell alone. This primal connection is our first introduction to the world, forging bonds and providing comfort before we even open our eyes. Throughout life, our nose warns us of danger and brings us pleasure, decoding the air's hidden messages. The aroma of fresh food, the warning of smoke, or the sweetness of a blooming flower. Each scent is a message, and our brain interprets them instantly. Every breath samples hundreds of scent molecules, each telling part of a larger story. With every inhale, we gather clues about our environment, often without even realizing it. The smell of a rainy forest, for example, is a complex blend. Our nose instantly presents it as a single, vivid experience. The earthy aroma of wet soil, the freshness of leaves, and the subtle hint of distant flowers all combine into one unforgettable moment. This is a feat of biological engineering, elegant and efficient. Our olfactory system is designed to detect, analyze, and synthesize countless scents, all in a fraction of a second. Our sense of smell is not passive. It's an active explorer, constantly scanning and interpreting the chemical landscape. It helps us navigate crowded markets, lush forests, and even the comfort of our own homes. It weaves together memories, emotions, and perceptions, connecting us intimately to our world. A familiar scent can bring a rush of nostalgia, or a new aroma can spark curiosity and wonder. The story of the human nose is one of discovery, revealing a superpower we've always possessed. It's a sense that shapes our lives in subtle, profound ways, often without us even realizing its influence. Even within our own bodies, there are frontiers of wonder waiting to be explored. The nose, with its intricate design, is a reminder of the marvels hidden in plain sight. The air is alive with information, and our nose is the key to unlocking it. With every breath, we connect to the world in ways both ancient and new, discovering the unseen power of the air. For decades, scientists believed the human nose could detect only about 10,000 scents, a modest number, especially when compared to the extraordinary abilities of animals like bloodhounds, who can track a single scent for miles. This idea shaped how we thought about our own sense of smell, making it seem almost insignificant next to our other senses. The theory was based on the number of scent receptors in our noses, and for years, it painted smell as a minor, almost forgotten sense, one that faded into the background of daily life. But nature is rarely so simple. The world around us is filled with an astonishing variety of scents, from the earthy aroma of a forest after rain to the subtle fragrance of a blooming flower. Then, a groundbreaking study at Rockefeller University challenged everything we thought we knew about our noses. Researchers there mixed scent molecules in incredibly complex combinations, testing whether people could tell even the most subtle differences apart. The results were astonishing, far beyond anyone's expectations. The human nose, it turns out, can detect at least 1 trillion different smells, a number so vast it's almost impossible to imagine. Imagine this. If you smelled a new scent every single second, it would take you over 31,000 years to experience them all. That's longer than the span of recorded human history. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of what it means to be human and how we interact with the world. Our sense of smell isn't a fading relic of evolution. It's a sensory superpower, hiding in plain sight, connecting us to memories, emotions, and the environment in ways we're only beginning to understand. The nose is far more capable than we ever imagined, a gateway to a hidden world of sensation. We are truly creatures of scent, living in a world far richer and more complex than we ever realized. How do we detect so many smells, from the aroma of fresh bread to the sharp tang of citrus, or the earthy scent after rain? The secret lies in the remarkable way our olfactory receptors work together, forming a complex network that deciphers the world of scent. Every scent is made of odorant molecules, tiny, invisible particles released into the air by everything from flowers to food to rain-soaked earth. When we breathe in, these molecules travel into our nasal cavity, where the journey of perception truly begins, setting off a cascade of biological events. Imagine it like an orchestra. Just as a handful of instruments can create endless melodies, a few types of receptors can produce a vast array of scent experiences. Our noses contain about 400 types of olfactory receptors, each one acting like a unique musician in this invisible orchestra, ready to play its part. The scent of a rose isn't just a single molecule, but a harmonious chord of hundreds, each activating a different combination of receptors to create its signature fragrance. The brain then analyzes this unique pattern of activation, allowing us to distinguish even the most similar smells with astonishing precision and subtlety. This combinatorial code unlocks the staggering potential of our sense of smell, enabling us to recognize thousands of different scents throughout our lives. Even a tiny change in a scent's recipe, a single molecule more or less, can create a completely new olfactory experience, as unique as a new song. We're not just smelling ingredients, we're experiencing a molecular symphony, where every note and nuance is orchestrated by nature and interpreted by our senses. Our nose is the brilliant conductor, guiding this sensory performance and allowing us to savor the world's endless variety of scents. Smelling is a rapid, intricate journey from air to brain. It starts with a breath, drawing molecules into the nasal cavity. There, a small patch of tissue, the olfactory epithelium, houses millions of receptor neurons. Odorant molecules dissolve in mucus and bind to specific receptors, like keys in locks. This triggers an electrical signal, the birth of scent perception. The signal races along nerve fibers, passing through the cribriform plate, a direct passage to the brain. This is one of our most direct sensory connections. In a fraction of a second, a chemical event becomes biological information. The olfactory nerve carries the complete scent pattern to the brain. Detection is complete. Now, the brain interprets the message. The brain's first stop for scent signals is the olfactory bulb, a grand central station for smells. Here, axons from similar receptor neurons converge at glomeruli, creating a spatial map of scent. The olfactory bulb refines and organizes this information, sharpening contrasts and filtering out background noise. That's why a new smell stands out, but fades as it becomes familiar. The bulb's location is key. It connects directly to the amygdala, emotion, and hippocampus, memory. This direct wiring makes scent a powerful trigger for feelings and recollections. Unlike sight or sound, smell takes a shortcut to our emotional core. It's an ancient, potent link between the world and our inner lives. Smell is our most direct path to memory and emotion. A whiff of perfume or cut grass can instantly transport us to another time. This is scent-cued memory, intensely emotional and detailed, thanks to the brain's wiring. The olfactory bulb's direct link to the hippocampus weaves scent into our memories. Years later, the same scent can unlock the entire memory, emotion, and all. The amygdala ties scent to feelings, comfort, fear, joy. Scents become unique tags for our experiences, anchoring us to our past. These invisible threads connect our present to our personal history. Our sense of smell is a private, scent-encoded diary. With every breath, our olfactory system works like a silent supercomputer, analyzing the air's chemistry. It identifies, categorizes, and interprets trillions of molecular combinations, effortlessly and constantly. Even while we sleep, our nose samples the air, alert for danger like smoke. This system is a tireless guardian, flagging anything new or important. Walk into a bakery, and your nose instantly deciphers the complex aroma: yeast, sugar, butter, cinnamon. It cross-references these with memories, delivering instant recognition. We rarely notice the millions of calculations happening between nose and brain. Our bodies possess a deep biological intelligence. The olfactory system is a marvel of evolution, refined for breathtaking efficiency. It's a testament to the extraordinary complexity within us. Learning our noses can detect 1 trillion scents changes how we see ourselves. We're not dominated by one sense. Each is a powerful tool shaping our reality. Smell is a star performer, inviting us to engage more deeply with the world. By noticing the scents around us, we unlock a richer layer of experience. This knowledge inspires innovation: breath tests for disease, electronic noses for industry. Our biology sparks new technology in medicine. The story of 1 trillion scents reminds us that discovery isn't over. Some frontiers are within us. Our potential for experience is greater than we ever imagined.